Welcome back to our aquatic adventures, where we dive into the world of home aquariums and uncover the beauty of underwater life. Today, we're focusing on one of the most vibrant and exciting aspects of the aquarium hobby, breeding cherry shrimp in a 20-gallon setup. So grab your nets and water test kits, because we're about to embark on a journey to shrimp breeding success. Cherry shrimp are not only a popular choice for their brilliant red color, but also for their ability to add life and movement to any freshwater aquarium. They're hardy, easy to care for, and most importantly, fascinating to watch. But how do you go from having a few cherry shrimp to running a successful breeding setup? Let's dive in. First things first, your setup. A 20-gallon tank is the sweet spot for breeding these little critters. It provides ample space for the shrimp to grow, hide, and explore without feeling overcrowded. But size isn't everything. Let's talk about creating the perfect environment. To mimic their natural habitat, start with a dark substrate. This not only makes their colors pop, but also encourages natural foraging behavior. Next, add live plants like Java moss and Anubias. These aren't just for aesthetics. They're essential for providing hiding spots for shrimp and their offspring. When it comes to filtration, go for a sponge filter. It's gentle enough to prevent young shrimp from being sucked in, and it provides a grazing area for them to feed on biofilm and algae. Water quality is paramount. Cherry shrimp thrive in clean, well-oxygenated water with a pH between 6.5 and 7.5. Regular water changes and testing will keep your shrimp healthy and happy. Now for the stars of the show. When introducing cherry shrimp to your tank, acclimate them slowly to avoid shock. It's also a good idea to start with a mix of males and females to kickstart your breeding program. Breeding cherry shrimp is as simple as providing the right conditions. If they're happy and healthy, they'll breed. You'll start seeing tiny, clear eggs beneath the females' tails, which means it's only a matter of time before you see shrimp fry exploring the tank. Feeding your shrimp is crucial. A balanced diet of algae, blanched vegetables, and commercial shrimp food will ensure your shrimp and their offspring grow strong and healthy. Thanks for diving in with us today. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more aquatic adventures.